Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, we're going to talk about Rainbow Wallet, Airdrop, and ETH reward, guys. Yes, meron silang ETH rewards. So, paano ba tayo makaka-participate? Paano ba tayo makaka-join dito? Ano bang kailangan natin gawin? Ano bang mga tasks na kailangan natin gawin? So, yun yung tackle natin in this video. Kaya huwag kayo mag-skip. Stay tuned at the end of this video para wala kayo miss na important details. But before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off-the-clock episodes. So now, tuturuan ko kung bago lang kayo guys, kung wala pa kayong EVM wallet or anything, so tayo mag-create ng wallet. Pero kung meron kayo guys, you need, pwede rin kayo mag-import, like, MetaMask wallet guys. So first tayo ay mag-create ng wallet dito kay Rainbow guys. So kung bago lang kayo, pwede nyo siya magamit sa mga airdrops, sa lahat guys. Itong Rainbow wallet guys. So pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng funds, but of course kailangan is i-secure nyo, like i-backup nyo guys itong kung first time user kayo, i-backup nyo yung inyong wallet. So now, gagawin ko is cloud backup, pero pwede ring manual backup guys. Kung manual backup yan, bibigyan kayo ng 12 or 24 secret phrase, at make it sure kapag binigyan kayo yan, itago nyo yan sa very secured na location para walang makakita, kasi once na leak yan or anything, possible na ma-hack ang inyong account. Okay, sa mga first time user or first time mag-airdrop guys. So ayan guys, pero kung meron na kayo, kailangan nyo i-import yung wallet nyo dito, dahil para to get points, early points, is active yung wallet nyo and may funds yung wallet nyo. So kung first time kayo, kailangan nyo lagyan ng funds and kailangan nyo maging active. Para maging active kayo, kailangan nyo siyang mag-mint, magkaroon ng TXN, like mag-mint ng NFT, mag-bridge, mag-swap, yan, something like that. So here, ayan, so kapag first time ito yung biglang lalabas sa inyo guys, so as you can see, pwede nga na siyang magamit guys. So yung password is up to you. Kanina, diba? So nakita nyo yung pag-create ng password is really up to you guys, kung ano yung password na ilalagay nyo dito. At kailangan is tandaan nyo din para once na ililipat nyo siya sa other device or open nyo sa other device, ayan. Pero okay din naman yung manually, at least basta alam nyo yung secret password nyo guys. Pag cloud kasi, kailangan yung device na yun is yun yung email address nyo guys. Okay, so as you can see here, ito wala pa kasi itong funds. So kapag try nyo yung points, lalabas dyan is failed. Wallet balance required. So dahil Ethereum wallet siya, kailangan may funds yung Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, Zora, Mainnet guys, or alternative, kailangan meron yung mathematic balance on Polygon Network or ABNB balance on Binance Smart Chain Network. But more or less, dahil Ethereum wallet siya, kailangan dapat sa Ethereum yung siya gawin. Okay? And then, yun nga lang, mas pricey kapag sa Ethereum. So, ngayon, in-import ko na lang yung aking wallet. So, pwede naman, kung first time kayo, pwede kayo mag-import ng MetaMask nga dito. So, add wallets lang kayo. Okay? So, pag kinilik yung claim wallets, don't forget to input the referral code para to get the bonus reward. So, lalagay ko na yung code sa description box. Include the link, guys. Kung ayaw, pwede nyo siya i-install sa Google Play Store and then manually input the code. Okay? So, dahil may funds na siya kahit konti, so, ayan, mag-access granted siya, and then, possible na matagal siya, possible na mabilis siya, kaya be patient as always. Kasi nagko-compute pa yun, nagka-calculate kung magkano ba. I don't know kung magkano ba yung conversion kailangan, pero yun nga, may kailangan kasi active then yung inyong wallet guys. Okay, so pag dito, ito yung parang bonus nila sa mga nag-import or talagang way back before is very active user sa mga EVM address nila guys. So sa mga first time user, so you need to swap here sa mismong Rainbow Wallet guys. Okay? Kailangan yung magkaroon na activity, kailangan yung maglagay ng funds and anything. So yun guys. Okay? So ayan, welcome to points. So pointing system, katulad ni Rabby Wallet, so yun yung tackle last time about wallets guys. So I got 480 bonus. I think kasama na rin dito yung referral bonus. I don't know. But I don't know kasi magkano yung conversion. But as you can see, you will get additional 100 points kung mag-swap ka dito at least $100 guys. Dito sa mismong Rainbow Wallet ha, not other than. And then tweet your referral link and get an extra 250 points. Plus, you will earn 10% of the points earned by anyone you refer. So, I don't know kung kailan ma-receive yung 250 points kasi ba tinuwit natin siya. So I think kapag once na meron ng nag-sign up kasi yun nga. So yan, registration complete, you're all set. Keep earning points by swapping, yung sabi ko kanina, bridging, minting, referring friends, and more. The more you use Rainbow, the more you will be rewarded guys. So yun yung kailangan nyo gawin dito na task guys. Yun nga lang, you need to have fun. So dahil ayan, yun yung pasimula lang kapag meron na kayo before na EVM address at may funds at very active kayo doon. So makakagets kayo dito ng 100 points kung makakapag yun nga, makapag-swap kayo or magkakaroon ng activity kayo dito at least $100. Okay? So hindi ko pa nakuha yung 250. I don't know when, but yun nga yung actually yung airdropping nila as of the moment, wala pa siya mismong token, but I think possible siya ha guys in the future kasi halos ng mga wallet ngayon is nagkakaroon ng own token. So wala pa siyang own token, but for the meantime, ETH reward ang pinamimigay nila guys. Okay? ETH reward weekly every Tuesday. So top 10,000 for all timer sa leaderboard, and sa weekly nila top 100. Yun yung nakalagay nila sa kanilang announcements sa kanilang X account. So make sure that to follow their other social media para at least you know the announcements. Malay yun, di ba mag-announce nila, magkakaroon sila ng Rainbow token. So until next time guys, goodbye.